Welcome back to Upcoming Car. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Mazda RX-5, a car that marks a bold return to Mazda's performance heritage while embracing a modern approach to design and technology. The RX badge has always been special for Mazda enthusiasts, and with the RX-5, the company blends sports car DNA with practicality and futuristic appeal. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 RX-5, it's clear this is no ordinary crossover. The design is sleek and aggressive, featuring a low-slung body, sculpted sides, and an athletic stance. The front end carries Mazda's signature Kodo design language, but with sharper edges and a more aerodynamic profile. The wide grille with a dark chrome finish and slim LED matrix headlights give the car a menacing and refined look. The coupe-like roofline slopes smoothly into a sculpted rear, highlighted by a wide LED light bar, a sporty spoiler, and dual exhausts that hint at its performance potential. Even the 20-inch alloy wheels with a tourbillon-inspired design add to its futuristic flair, making the RX-5 one of the most striking models in Mazda's current lineup. When it comes to performance, the 2025 RX-5 doesn't disappoint. At its heart is a new generation rotary range extender hybrid powertrain, combining the emotional performance of Mazda's legendary rotary engine with the efficiency of electric motors. The RX-5 features an electric drive system delivering instant torque to all four wheels via Mazda's iActive AWD, with around 300 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time under 5.5 seconds. The RX-5 delivers thrilling acceleration while maintaining remarkable stability and control. The rotary engine acts as a generator, extending the driving range without compromising the EV experience. The suspension has been finely tuned for sporty handling, yet remains comfortable on rougher roads. And steering is precise and well-weighted. Whether you're on a twisty back road or a daily commute, the RX-5 feels planted, agile, and fun to drive in a way that's rare for a crossover. Step inside, and the interior of the RX-5 blends premium craftsmanship with modern minimalism. The cabin is driver-focused with a clean, uncluttered dashboard wrapped in soft-touch materials and brushed aluminum accents. A floating 12.3-inch infotainment screen sits in the center, operated through Mazda's intuitive rotary controller. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with a premium Bose audio system. The digital gauge cluster is crisp and customizable, and the heads-up display adds a futuristic touch. Seating is firm yet supportive with leather and suede upholstery options. Ambient lighting enhances the cabin atmosphere, and rear seat space is surprisingly generous for a coupe-style SUV. Cargo space is also practical enough for daily use, making the RX-5 not only sporty but functional. As for pricing, Mazda has positioned the RX-5 to compete with premium performance crossovers. The base trim starts around $45,000, while higher trims with more tech and luxury features go up to about $55,000. Given its unique powertrain, sharp looks, and premium features, the price feels justified. The 2025 Mazda RX-5 is not just another SUV. It's a bold statement by Mazda about the future of driving excitement in an electrified world.